In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the if contains function in Google Sheets. Whether you're trying to streamline your data sorting tasks or enhance your spreadsheet skills, mastering this function will certainly make your life a lot easier. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To get started, the first step is to open your Google Sheets document. If you're not familiar with Google Sheets, it's Google's free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create and format spreadsheets online while collaborating with other users in real time. So, go ahead and open up a new or existing spreadsheet where you want to apply this function. Once you have your Google Sheet open, the next thing you want to do is click on cell B2. Clicking directly on the cell will ensure you're in the right location to input your formula. For those who may not know, cells in Google Sheets are organized in a grid, and B2 refers to the cell located in column B, row 2. Positioning here is straightforward and helps maintain organization in your spreadsheet. With cell B2 selected, it's time to input the formula. Type in the following: XIF, regex match, A2, K, true, false. Let me break that down for you. This formula uses regex match, which is a function that checks if a part of the text in cell A2 contains the letter K. The if function then determines what happens when the condition is met. It'll return true if the letter K is found, or false if it is not. This is a powerful way to filter data based on specific criteria or patterns. After typing in the formula, simply hit the Enter key. This action will execute the formula, and you'll see either true or false displayed in cell B2, depending on whether the condition you set is met by the text in cell A2. Now, to apply this formula to other cells, you can use the autofill feature. Move your cursor to the lower right corner of cell B2 until a small square handle appears. Click and drag this handle down through the other cells in the column where you want the formula applied. Google Sheets will automatically adjust cell references in the formula to match each row, making it extremely efficient to apply multiple evaluations across your dataset effortlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully used the if contains function in Google Sheets. With this knowledge, you can quickly analyze and sort your data as needed. Do try it out with different text conditions to see its full potential. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.